Hey YouTube, this is Maria and I'm here to help you with your goal setting and your mindset as an equestrian. How are you guys? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I'm walking and I'm just doing my morning walk because I really like to start the morning in a very active way, and that's the best. So I just wanted to touch base with you because I haven't been able to really concentrate on my YouTube channel at this moment, and so that's a little bit tricky when you are starting your own business and you have your horse to ride and you have competitions to do and you have to work on your own mindset and you have to work on your customers, because I have riding clients and it's lots of things. So, but I really wanted to do this video because the thing is that I've been working so hard. I've been creating my first visualization workshop, and it is happening in 2 days on Saturday, and I am so happy for that, because the thing is that I've been using visualization for many years now, but it's been only for the past 2 years where I've been really paying attention to it and going deep on the techniques that can be used. So just hold on a second. Okay, sorry, there was a car that was going by. And so the thing is that, oh yeah, there's a little bit of wind. I hope that the sound is okay. So for the last 2 years I've been really working on the techniques that have to be done correctly for visualization to work, and it's been amazing. And for those of you who have seen my last videos, you know that a month ago, on the 31st of March, I did my first dressage competition, coming back from 1 year out of the saddle, almost 1 year, because my horse was operated on and then I broke my back. And well, you can watch all those videos. I will be linking some videos here up if you want to catch up with that history. And the thing is that for my first competition I was in a very good mindset, and I had used visualization to 1000%, and I won that competition, and it was amazing because I'm still on rehab. So yeah, it was whoa, I couldn't believe it myself. But the thing is that I'm not telling you that if you use visualization techniques and that if you really work on your mindset you're going to win every time. I'm just telling you that you are going to be the best that you can, because sometimes we just prepare ourselves physically, we just work on the saddle with our horses, and that's extremely important, of course, but sometimes it's not enough. It's I'm sure that all of us, we've had these problems where we have some amazing rides at home, and as soon as we are out on competition, everything goes to crap. And that's mindset. That's because we have concentrated so much on the physical part of the riding, and we have just completely forgotten that there's this one also. That's problematic. So yeah, I'm doing my first visualization workshop, and I will be putting it out to be sold online, because the thing is that, of course, I'm doing it on Saturday. I'm doing it with my clients, but I want this information and these techniques and these tools to be known to as many people as possible, because really it's a game changer. It will be a game changer for whomever works with it. And I think that it is a shame that I'm only able to share it with such a few people, with only my riders. So it will be out for buying online, and I really hope that you will just look at it, guys, because it is amazing. I know that I say that a lot, but it is. So anyways, Look at this. Isn't this amazing? It's like I have the best place to walk. Let me show you. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but there's a little horse sleeping there. And there are other horses here. Yeah, so I am so lucky to be able to have such an amazing space to do my morning walk. So guys, I think that's going to be it for today. Oh yeah, I haven't been able to really record when I'm working with my horse, because at this moment I'm working him on the fields. I'm just changing a little bit the place where I'm working, because I felt that he was getting a little bit like unmotivated from working only on the ring. Hold on a second, there's another car. Oh no, it's not coming this way. So yeah, I felt that he was getting a little bit unmotivated, and I don't like that, because I know why I ride, I know why I work, I know what are my goals, but my horse doesn't. He just wants to be loved, and he just wants to be cared for. And so I feel that it's a little bit unfair to ask them for lots of work when you feel that they're a little bit down, and not just like look for the reason why this is happening and try and find a solution. So my solution was to go out into fields, but when I'm on the fields, like they're enormous, they're gigantic, the fields, and I cannot use my robot because it is a little bit difficult. Yeah, so anyways, that's why I haven't been able to show you what I'm working on. I'm working on my goals for my next competition, that it is going to be on the 18th of May. And oh yeah, on Sunday my husband is going to a competition with Topolino, with my horse, and like in 3 days. And so I will be showing you that. I will be recording a little bit, and so that you can see it. He's going to love it, both of them, because they both love jumping, and my horse, that's his, like, he was bred to jump. So anyways, I am rattling on. I hope you're having a nice week, guys, and I will be seeing you next week. I will be telling you how my workshop, my visualization workshop went, and of course I will be keeping you updated to when I will be putting it out online, so that you can go and check it out. See ya!